Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Mazda CX-3. First, locate the cruise control buttons on the right side of your steering wheel. You'll see an On button. Press it to activate the system. Once On is illuminated, accelerate to your desired cruising speed, ensuring you are traveling above 25 miles per hour for the system to engage properly. This initial step prepares your vehicle for hands-free highway driving. Once you've reached your desired speed, press the Set button to lock it in. You'll see an indicator light confirm that your speed is now maintained. If you need to temporarily slow down, then want to return to your set speed, simply press Res for resume. To fine-tune your speed, use the Set Plus button to increase or Set to decrease, typically in 1 mile per hour increments for smooth adjustments. There are a few easy ways to cancel cruise control. The most direct method is to press the Cancel button on your steering wheel. Alternatively, a light tap on the brake pedal will also disengage the system without turning it completely off, allowing you to resume later. If you wish to fully deactivate cruise control, simply press the Off button, which will clear any set speed from the memory. For optimal safety, use cruise control primarily on open highways with consistent traffic flow, avoiding heavy congestion or winding roads. Always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead, as cruise control does not automatically adjust for sudden braking. Remember to stay alert and be ready to take manual control at any moment. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.